Welcome. So here we're gonna see how to internationalize your plugin. So as a plugin developer, some of you has faced this situation where you want your plugin to work in some other language website. To do so, what things should we consider in our plugin? What are the things? How should we code the plugin so that it will automatically get translated based on the site language if translation exists for that? So we're gonna see a demo of that here. So here you can see I've created a plugin. That this plugin is just shuffling an array of text and just showing a dummy message in the admin bar as an admin notice, and I have included some CSS. This CSS will just style the text so that it will look in the middle, so it doesn't matter, so don't think about that. Okay, so here, so how to make my plugin language independable? So here the first thing I'm gonna do is, I have already done, to add text domain. So text domain is something through which my plugin's keyword will get recognized. Okay, so I've added the text domain as wp admin lang, which is the name of my file, my main file where my plugin is declared. So this should be same as the file name, then input block. So the next thing is to wrap my strings in translatable function. So I think you have seen many times this function called underscore e underscore n. So this function, what this function do? Actually this function do nothing but translation. So they will translate the plugin string, they will translate the past string if translation exists for them in the language file. Okay, so we're gonna see step by step. We will see how to create language file, how to add string and translate whatever. So let's just keep on going with me in the flow. So here my text is, so the first thing which I will do is I will wrap my text in underscore function. So I've already done that here to reduce the video size length. So here I will just copy paste it. So it is nothing but underscore. I have wrapped the string in underscore, and I have passed the my text domain here, which I have already declared here. So that means underscore will, what it will do, it will search for this string based on this text domain. Okay, so we have covered our first two things. We have declared text domain here, and we have wrapped our all string in underscore function or any translatable function. So the next step we're gonna do here is this. Wow, what is this? So this is nothing but on plugin load, I'm calling one function, and this function is just loading a text domain. So this translatable function will look for this string translation based on this text domain. So on plugin load, what I have done, I have just given a mean to my text domain. So I have said that my text domain is this, and look for the translation in this language file. So language file of my plugin directory. So this is my plugin directory and this is my language. So my plugin translation will be in this language file. So how to translate the string now, and how to add the translation in language file. So before going that, I will explain you several things. The first thing is several file format. So we have three file format: .po, .mo, and .pot. So .po is nothing but portable object, MO is machine object, and POT is portable object template. So .po is something that we can edit and we can read. .mo is machinery understandable things, and .pot is just a template. So we're gonna see in detail these things. So let's first create this file. So how to create these files? So there are various things in the market through which you can create these files for WordPress, but the most popular and open source way is POEdit. Yes, so I've just installed POEdit installation. So it is available for all systems. So whether you are in Mac user, whether Linux or Windows user, doesn't matter. You just download this, and so everything will work like similar. So what I'm gonna do here is, now I'm gonna create a new file. So file, new. So the first thing which I will have to create here is portable object template. Portable object template is kind of template for language translation. So this file will list all those strings which are in my plugin, and during translation of in each language we can use this template and just do the translation stuff. So it will be better explainable when I will create it. So I'm gonna create it English. So I will use English is already default, so I will use English. Yeah, English Australia suppose. Okay, so I'm creating English Australia. So I'm gonna show here now. So this is my English Australia.